Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, we are with you with another interesting topic. This is Unit 2, and we will talk about the landform. So, today we'll talk about the formation of topography. All the different features of the landscape are the result of earth movement. The force which were down the features after they are formed. They are plains, valleys, lakes, rivers, hills, mountains, and torrents. Earth plates and movement. First, you will see the picture of the earth. That crust is the first layer, the second is mantle, and then core inside. Figure shows that the earth, as if it has been cut in half. It shows the center core, which is hot and contain mainly molten material. The outer layer or crust, which is made of solid rock and forms the ocean floors and the continues. The mantle, which is between the core and the crust, it is made of small solid and some semi-molten rock called magma. It is cooler near the crust and hotter near the core. Rift Valley. As you can see in the picture, we are going to explain it. A rift valley is a lowland region that forms where Earth's tectonic plates move apart or rift. Rift valleys are found on land and at the bottom of the ocean, where they are created by the process of seaflooring spreading. You can see in the picture we have rift valley over here we can see that the magma is there, and the two arrows on the right and left with the yellow, and that's why they are having a rift valley. Volcanoes. A volcano is a weak spot in the crust where molten material or magma comes to the surface. Magma is a molten mixture of rock forming substance, gases, and water from the mantle. When magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. Lava plateau. Lava plateaus are landforms created by volcanic activity. When shield volcanoes erupt, magma flows from the Earth's mantle through fissures in the crust. These flows, which are primarily made up of basalt, harden into layers or flows, which build up over time to create the lava plateau. Eruption. What happened during an eruption? A volcano is an event in the Earth's crust from which eruption occurs. There are about 1,500 potentially active volcanoes worldwide. Where volcanoes erupt, they can spew hot, dangerous gas, ash, lava, and rock that can cause disastrous loss of life and property, especially in heavily populated areas. You can see the magma chamber is at the bottom of the mountain, and the layers of the lava ashes is present here. The magma and the lava. You can see the secondary vent near to the surface of the earth, surface of the mountain. Then we have main vent and the creator, and the ash is in the form of, you can see that there is a cloud, all these things. So they are having a lot of lava and ashes and gases comes out from the volcano. Result of 2001 eruption. Red hot lava which erupted out of the main vent of the volcano flowed down the side of the volcano. When it cooled, it solidified into these lumps of solid black volcanic rocks. Earthquakes. The tectonic plates are always slowly moving, but they get stuck at their edge due to friction. When the stress on the edge overcomes the friction, there is an earthquake that releases energy in waves that travel through the Earth's crust and cause the shaking that we feel. You can see there is a center of the earthquake which is near to the crust and from the mantle. Then we have S waves arise, sound and move ground from the side to side. The fault lines movement occurs along here. You can see which is indicated with the pink marker, and then primary waves travel fastest and cause up the down movement. That is called the epicenter of the earthquake. The parts of earthquakes: focus, the point at which the earthquakes start; epicenter, the point on Earth's surface which is directly above the focus; seismic momentous measures the strength of the earthquakes and record it in seismograph. You can see that fault scarp and fault trace terrace. You can see the epicenter and then a focus, and there is a fault plane, and seismic waves are produced from, and they are moving away from that. That is recorded by the seismograph. Jazakallah for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.